You know, I'd always hoped that right before I died, my life would flash before my eyes, and I would see wonderful things. But as I was hanging up there, I didn't really see much of anything. But I did see you. This is crazy. I thought you were dead. Am I dead? I don't think so. You're talking. Hi. You're special. I'm special. You're like the multi-purpose tool guy. And that's why I need you to help me get home.
You want to go home so you can have love. But you ran away because nobody loves you.
Shut up! You can't just say everything that comes into your head. That's bad talking.
Oh.
It's moving! What's happening? Manny, I think your Wang is guiding us home. It's magic. People don't like other people's farts.
Is that why you don't fart in front of me?
I just like to do it alone. Or hold it in. That's what you're supposed to do.
That's so sad.
We sang and we danced, and it was beautiful. God, no. Don't be afraid.